If only there was a river sport.
There is.
Oh, I love sports.
What?
Our fun may not last. The factory is producing again.
They wouldn't pollute the river, right?
Get the factory producing. It's already up and ready to be started. We must make profits, more profits. Yes, Bub, it shall be done as you ask. Yes, it will be. Bub, where should we dump the coal waste? Well, there's a lovely river just outside the factory. It would be the perfect place. It shall be done.
Ah! Oh, I love the river.
Wait, why is everybody screaming?
They dump all the waste in the river.
Why would they do this?
Get out of the river quick. It's getting closer.
I can't believe that factory owner would be so evil as to pollute the whole river.
Some people just want to watch the world burn.
This is such a sad TV show.
Click. Oh, it's Green Ninja ad.
OMG, I'm so uplifted. We can save the river.
Whoop, whoop. Let's do it.
You can save the river.
Don't let the factory pollute.
If we all work together, we will be able to save the river.
We've all loved this river and played in it. Let's save it. Woo-woo!
We have made a petition to save the river.
Step right up and sign your name on here.
Just the smallest amount of help makes the biggest difference.
Save it now!
No, they're going to stop the factory. They're coming right up to our doorstep. Stop factory production. Get the workers. We will face them. Boss, I don't think in all that world this town is legal. Oh, well, still, master workers. It's fun to say that.
Don't pollute the river! Woohoo!
But we can do what we want. It's our river.
Well, you can't just destroy this river.
Why not? It's not like people live there.
They don't, but we love to play in the river.
Well, grow up. But there are so many fish. You could kill them all. Why should I care about them?
We need to protect our
the
environment.
Find someplace else to dump all your trash. Besides, we have a petition that everyone signed to make you stop polluting. Oh, dang it, you got me. But why should I protect the environment anyways?
Unless you want it to live in a big, dead, polluted garbage heap, don't destroy the world around you.
Oh, fine. I mean, I guess I can give the fishes and other animals another chance. I don't have much choice anyways.
Woohoo!
Cleaning up